If you're experiencing connection errors on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. This guide will help you identify and fix common connectivity problems. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is active. You can do this by testing the connection on another device such as a smartphone or computer. If other devices are also having issues, restart your modem and router. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console to refresh its network settings. To do this, hold the Xbox button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. Step 3. Test network connection. Navigate to the settings menu on your Xbox Series X, go to network settings and select test network connection. This will check if your console can connect to the internet and identify any issues. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to settings, then system and select updates. If an update is available, download and install it, as updates can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If issues persist, consider adjusting your network settings. In the network settings menu, you can try switching from automatic to manual IP settings or DNS settings. You can also try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most connection errors on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.